traders, this is Brian with TraderShark.com. I'd like to discuss a little bit about trend lines and how important they are pre-market versus how they affect the market during the day. This is Tuesday, September 20th, 2011. The time here is before 9:30. The 5-minute chart was creating a downtrend, or lower highs, lower lows, and prior to that, right, even 3 a.m. in the morning, we had some lows and higher lows. So they kind of created a type of wedge pattern. Not a big deal. You draw the support lines and the resistance lines, and then as the day progresses, we find support. This white dotted line is opening price. We find resistance up here at the hourly range high. I want you to look right here. This is a buying opportunity with a cross of our internal indicator. Simple momentum indicator. Momentum tends to precede price action. And then as we get into an overbought position, an opportunity to get short. You can see from an anchor chart position, even though it's a 5-minute, we use this as our anchor chart. You'll see it works out very nicely. For example, a trend line break is what gave us a heads up that we had a short coming. A little bit tighter. Okay. After we hit our head 1, 2, 3, 4 times on this ceiling, it's either going to break through with a vengeance or we're going to rip back down, and it tended to rip back down. A specific number of points is what we were looking for. We drew this blue ellipse when price action began its break of this support line to the downside. Thought it would find support at opening price, but it was coming down so fast with so much selling volume that we drew this circle, and then right about here started to say, if you want to try to scalp, get a little bit off of at this specific area. We had an uptrend support line with a nice bounce of almost 4 full points back up to opening price, and then you know you're going to have resistance there for a sell-off to find the support line that was drawn pre-market also. Just something to keep in mind. Hope that adds to your knowledge, and see you tomorrow morning. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the TraderShark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.